which number is 40% less than 80? Now, 40% less, so we can find out 40% of 80 first. So 40% of 80, zeros get cancelled. We have 8 fours are 32. Now, because it is less, we subtract 80 minus 32, and the answer we get is 48. So that's your answer. Now, the other way is by using the concept of multiplier. So we want to find a new number. So the concept will be new number is equal to old number or original number into multiplier. So original number or the old number is 80. Now we have to find out the multiplier. It is 40% less. Because it is less, we write down 1 minus. And because it is 40%, we write down the fraction equivalent of 40%, that is 40 upon 100. So this will give you 80 into 60 upon 100. Again, zeros get cancelled out. Your answer will be 48. Both the methods are perfectly fine. The answer will still remain the same, that is 48.